How to use the same Telegram on two different devices. Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily connect your same Telegram account to two different devices. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. First thing first, what you need to do is head over to your device. That it can be your laptop or your phone. I'm just going to show you on Telegram web. So here I've just opened my browser and searched for Telegram web, and it has given me a QR code. So what you can do is directly scan this QR code from your phone, or you can just log in by your phone number. Just enter your phone number here and it will send you a code on that number. Just enter the code and you will be logged in. So I'm going to show you how you can log in using your QR code. For that, you'll first have to open up your phone and then head over to your settings on your Telegram. And then from here, you tap on devices and tap on link a desktop device. It will automatically open your camera and then scan the QR code like this. Once you scan the code, it will authorize the login, and then you will be directly logged into your Telegram account. It's as easy as that. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.